Hi, welcome to the channel. Let me introduce myself. My name is Márcio Fenelon, but you can call me Mark, you can call me Marshall. It really doesn't matter. As you can see, English is not my first language, so I gotta apologize for that. My accent is terrible. My English is terrible, but hopefully you can understand me. So what about me? I was born in Brazil and I came to Portugal 8 years ago. I had a really happy childhood, and it turns out that I was good at getting grades at school, which led to my father invite me to study in, at the time, the best school of my city, which is the largest city of the country. And then with that I could make also the best business school in the country. And after that I did some post-graduation studies, always in finance. I landed several jobs in several industries, funny enough, several industries. I landed a job as a finance manager for a pet food company. I worked at the largest footwear company in the country. I worked for the largest auto parts company in the country, or maybe the largest. I think so. And then I landed a job, the really important one for our video here, which was at real estate. It's the largest company in the high-end market for real estate in Brazil. It was a university in itself. I mean, I learned about shopping malls for high-end. I learned about commercial buildings. I learned about plot of lands. I learned about mixed-use projects and apartments and houses. It was huge. So everything that I know today, I would say that 80% comes from this experience that I had for 7 years. After that, I started writing in the internet, fun enough. And then again, was the largest independent research company in the country. I was a real estate analyst for those guys. And then I decided to do real estate in Portugal. I have a real estate development company. It's pretty fun. It's really enjoyable, and also the 20% more that I know right now is due to this experience as a owner of a development company. That's mainly my presentation. I'm here at the beautiful Douro River. I've been in Portugal for the last 8 years, and my intention is to give you good content that is mainly useful. And of course, it's all about my opinions and my experience. And also, I gotta say that I am very interested in philosophy. And sometimes we are gonna put one or two things about philosophy. So at the end of my videos, you're gonna see mentioning something about wisdom. and the love for wisdom. So that's it. If you are either thinking about buying property in Portugal or investing in property in Portugal, or just interested in knowing more about Portugal, I think that's a good place to be. So subscribe to the channel, and I hope to see you in the next video. Thank you very much for watching, and see you soon. Bye bye.